Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to add text behind an object like this car in CapCut. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to duplicate your original video. And once you have done that, overlay it and select it right under exactly where it is. And now, once you've done that, you're going to go to Remove Background and Custom Removal. Alright, once you select the car, you can add the finishing details. Oh, that was too much. Alright, now that you've done that, you can erase the video, and as you can see, there's a new overlay of just the car. You're going to want to create a new text. You can set it to whatever you want to. Now that you've made the text, you're going to want to go to layers, and you're going to want to layer it under the overlay. Now that you've done that, you can see the text sits right under no matter where you drag it. Alright guys, hopefully this video is helpful. If you want more CapCut tutorials, feel free to follow me.